Hello homeowners, those of you who are having a garden and you're really trying to plant some climbing vines, maybe clematis like I have here. I want to show you what I've done to help make it easier for your climbing vines or clematis to climb up the side of the house. So this one is just getting started and I've already got quite a few flowers, but if you notice, I've got some chicken wire here that I attached to the downspout, and I like to put the clematis in spots over downspouts because they're kind of ugly. It's great to hide them, and it's a perfect spot to attach something like this. So what I do is I cut out a section of chicken wire. You can get it from your home improvement store, and when I cut my strips out, I just spray paint them whatever color you need. So this one is white, and if you come back over to this side, you'll see that I've got a white section here to get up this fence, and then I chose a spray paint again that matches the downspouts for the house. And last year the thing went all the way up and I had to start trimming it so it wasn't clogging up the gutter up there. Got another one going here, and once it hits this area, it's going to attach itself to the lattice on the fence, which I don't like. Also here on this side, I've got it going up here and I expect it to go this way, and I put a little bit across the fence. Hopefully this stuff will start, well, you can see that it's already attached itself, and we'll start hanging down and create a nice little section here. If I need to, I could add more to continue down this way, and we'll eventually take over. And again, when you, from a distance, you're not really going to see the chicken wire because it's spray painted the same color. Plus, once it gets loaded up with leaves and vines, you definitely won't see it. Just like here, you cannot see that chicken wire. And even if you did see a little bit through the vines, you're not going to notice it so much because of the color. If you thought this was a good idea, please give me that thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Helps my algorithm with YouTube. You know, they're very selective, you know. But if you have any other questions on how to do this, it is pretty easy, self-explanatory. I think you get it. And speak to you next time. Hope you watch the rest of my videos. Have a great day.